Here I have OPPO Reno8, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your OPPO Reno, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. So this is like basically recovery mode menu. Like in this mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, but you can also just use like screen. So let's speak English language. And in this menu you have such options as wipe data, reboot and power off. And in wipe data you don't have any other options. So yeah, if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.